catches fire. No sirens now, just static in the air. My breath's the only rhythm left to spare. Fingers raw, but the night feels clean for the first time since they wired the dream. Shadow wires from the wall. Let the machines watch nothing at all. Streetlights choke on their own commands. Screens go black and trembling hands. No more feeds, no curated lies. Just wet concrete and open skies. They built a world that never sleeps, but forgot we bleed when silence keeps its teeth in truth. I bit back hard, left my mark in sparking shards. Tear the wires from the wall. Let the machines watch nothing at all. Tear the wires from the wall. Let the machines watch nothing at all. You wanted eyes in every room. Now stare into the dark and assume. Tear the white ice from the wall. Let the machines watch nothing at all. We are the static in your clean sight. The human knows you can't define. No signal.